Good morning. Today happens to be April 16th on your Gregorian calendar. April 16th on your lunar calendar. And it's saying Thursday, right? Well, it's not. Well, it is Thursday. It's the 16th today on your lunar calendar. That's why I use this calendar. It's because it is accurate. Your Gregorian calendar is actually following the lunar calendar. Okay, once you understand that, then things get pretty easy. So I'm going to do a part 2. Okay, so what you're looking at now, if you're just running into this video, what you're looking at is Earth, a cross cut of Earth. Okay, that's what that is. A cross cut of this. And all the stars are playing out in it. There's your firmament. So I'll detail this a little more. But basically, there's the plane of inertia. That's where you're walking on. Okay? And your playground consists of 90 degrees here, right to 66 degrees here. You could go in there, but an anomaly will happen. But this is your playground. You still have a couple thousand miles. There's the ice wall right here. See it? There's the ice wall. It goes in 2,000 miles on this side. Here it goes about 3,000 miles, the ice wall. But we're limited to here. Okay. Now, what you're looking at is, well, like I said, this is a cross cut of this. Okay. The light is coming up from here. That's where the part in the Bible where it actually says divided the light from the darkness. This is the darkness. Okay. 21. That's the negative, a positive. This is a power source. Okay, it's a power source. It just has to be grounded to something, and it happens to be the universe. Okay, so your light comes up, and it'll divide. It'll go into two forms. Okay, there's one heading off this way, and one heading off this way. This happens to be your moon, and this happens to be your sun. And the sun, right now, is sitting there, so I'm located here. Okay. That's where I see the sun. And this is your ecliptic turned sideways. Okay? So that's what you're looking at. Crosscut. And that's what it's doing. And its job is to go up and down here in the 3 seasons. You see the seasons right here? 1, 2, 3. And you're getting a little figure 8 in there. See it? That's an Lima. Okay? There's your crepuscular rays. And there's your water above. Okay, what you see and what actually happens are kind of like two different things, but there's always a duality. Take a look. See, we got a duality there. We got another one here. We got the sun and moon as a duality, and we got these two suns. And this is rotating like that over here. It's going. Okay, now, that's what I think it's doing. But I think it's doing something a little bit different. But I'll track it. I'll find it. Not a problem. I'm this far, so there's nothing surprises me anymore. Okay, so now you got two different waves. See, this is your electromagnetic waves. There's the light coming through, and the light that's coming through from here is going up, through, and it's hitting this. And it ends here. Here. That's your Tropic of Capricorn. So once the light leaves there, a distortion happens. Everything flips 180. Okay? That's how that's happening. Okay? So, and then the second part, you got a lower part of the cathedral here. So that's your light. So the moon is actually might be in part of this because if you flip it, it becomes part of the universe. Okay? Yeah, so that's basically how it is. I just figured I'd give you a part 2 here on YouTube. So if you're not familiar with my videos, I suggest if you're running into this one, I suggest that you look at the rest of my videos. It's quite the thing. Okay, anyways, that's good enough. I'm going to let you go. Have yourself an awesome day, but that's basically what it is. That's what you're in. The crosscut of Earth in an electromagnetic field. The Earth, the moon, and stars and sun are all light. There's no mass to them. Okay? Well, anyways, there you go. Have yourself an awesome day. Later.